Newtowne does not have any windows. This can be designed as a top entry, or you can rotate it to the side. The one side has a window at one end and a window at the other. Just like to share both sides for you. Okay, here is an internal view of the C4-34. Okay, so I wanted to show you the Newtowne Hyperbarics mattress. So it's a foam mattress. You can kind of see how thick it is. You see my hand here laying across it. And it comes in 3 different pieces here that you're laying inside of a bag, essentially. So it's not like that hard memory foam. I know I've had some people ask me if it's that, and they don't really care for that. This is gonna be more, you can kind of see the type of foam it is. It's a little more giving, and you can see the contourization on each of the sides there. So hope that helps give you a little bit idea on the mat.